Hi everyone, happy Friday. I hope you're having an amazing day and have some fun plans for this weekend. So I received a few boxes today, and when I was trying to decide what one to open first, I thought, why not just keep it rolling with the new subscriptions? So the past few videos I've posted were all new boxes to this channel, and today will be no different. It is brand new. I have never opened it before or watched any other videos. I know Southern Mom also received this box. I think she may have posted yesterday on it, but I resisted watching, so it could be a surprise when we open it here on my channel. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to thank you all for being here and unboxing with me today, and also to remind you that I do have an active giveaway going on for the 2 Walmart Beauty Favorite boxes. I will leave the link down in the description box if you have not yet entered. And we're also really close to 4,000 subscribers. I think last I checked, I'm about 75 away, so there will be another giveaway, a bigger giveaway coming soon. So if you're new here, or if you've just been watching and you love subscription boxes, I do unboxings every single day on my channel, and I would love if you join. So if you like my content, please join our family. So today we're opening the pin culture box. This is super cute. It came in this little bag, which is just adorable. So like usual on my channel, when I get a new box, I do read some information from their website just so I can tell you more about it, since it is brand new to me. So I did get this sent free for review, and when we were talking through emails, they sent me some information. So let me tell you a little bit more about this box. So the Pin Culture box, it was created by owner Christina Park when her daughters began taking ballet and flamingo classes, and they saw there was a need for a steady supply of bobby pins and hair ties each month. So they now offer 8 different subscription boxes, and everything revolves around hair accessories. So like hair ties, bobby pins, all of that. I will leave the link down below, of course, so you can check out all of their subscription plans. I received the monthly bobby pin and hair tie. I think it's considered the medium box. I will know exactly when I open it. But I thought this was such a great idea. When I got an email about this, I was like, oh my gosh, I am constantly losing hair ties specifically. I don't always use bobby pins, but those seem to disappear too. And I feel like I'm always purchasing them. Like, I don't know where they go. Maybe my cats take them. Who knows? They just get lost. I don't know how many hair ties I've gone through in my life. So to get a monthly supply of them would be so useful. So I jumped right on it. I'm like, yes, of course, I would love to get this box. So the monthly bobby pin and hair tie medium box, which I'm assuming by this email is what I received, you get 20 bobby pins and 15 hair ties each month. So that is awesome. That should definitely last me the month. I don't think I lose that many a month. And then you also get a surprise item. So the retail value is guaranteed to be at least $15 each month. April's box, which I'm opening, is going to be $17. And what they sent me is a sneak peek. So orders ship a little bit later in the month. So this is a sneak peek of what you will be getting if you get the medium box. So plans for this one start at $10 a month. They do have other plans that are even cheaper. Like on the Cratejoy site, it's starting at $1.50 a month. So I think it all depends on what you want and how many bobby pins or how many hair ties you want per month. There's free shipping, and they also gave me a discount code to share with you all. So if anyone subscribes to a 3-month or longer plan, you can save 10%. So I'll definitely leave their website along with my discount code down in the description box. I do not get anything from this code, but it is just to help you guys out. So when you subscribe, you get to pick what type of subscription plan, obviously, and then you also get to pick the color of your bobby pins and your hair ties. So right now they have black, brown, and blonde options, and they plan to bring in auburn color as well in the near future. All right, so let's get unboxing. Or I guess I should say unbagging, but you know what I mean. I'm just gonna use scissors to cut the top of this. Oh my god, I didn't even realize there's little bunnies on the bag. How perfect is that for April, since it is Easter this month. So when I open it, this is what I see. It looks like there is a card and then some tissue paper with some cute wrapping. Let's see what this card says first. Oh, cute. Look at this little flamingo card. Adorable. And on the inside it says, Kitty, I hope you enjoy this exclusive sneak peek of April's bobby pins and hairstyle box, the medium. Your subscribers and followers can use the code Kitty or KITTPCB19. I'll leave it down below. This code is active until May 31st, and this will give you 10% savings on any 3, 6, or 12-month prepaid plan. This box has a retail value of $17. Awesome. And then it's signed by Christina. So that was super cute for them to include a card. And then this is what the box actually looks like. How cute is that little floral print? So right on top there is a card that says thank you for your order, Pin Culture, and then has their website. And then it says thank you so much for subscribing to the medium bobby pins and hair ties box. I hope you enjoy your monthly supply of pins and ties as well as this month's surprise item. The handmade ribbon and crystal hair tie. That must be the surprise item. We'll see in a moment. Has a retail value of $10. Wow, your total box value this month is $17. Can't wait to put together next month's box for you. Christina at the Pin Culture box. So there's the card that I read verbatim from. And then, okay, so here are the hair ties and the pins. So I obviously have blonde hair, so I chose that I wanted blonde hair ties. And I love this type of hair tie. This is what I usually use. So there are just a bunch of them here. Super cute, match my hair color. I love that. So they seem really stretchy and nice too. Like super comfortable. There's not like anything on there that can really like tag in your hair. You know, like some of the hair ties come with that little metal piece. These don't have these. So here, let me, I'll just count these to see how many we got. I think they said, what, 20 or 15 or something? So one. All right, so we did get 15, which is super awesome. I think this is such a great idea because I think about 15 hair ties a month is pretty good. You know, I go through them so fast. Like I said, I'm always losing them. So like, I like to keep some on my wrist sometimes. I throw them in my bag. I keep a few in the bathroom, a few in my beauty room. So this is super awesome. And then there are the matching pins, which is super cute and useful to have. I don't think I really have any bobby pins right now. The few I have, if any, I know when I moved I might have decluttered some stuff, but they were darker, so I love how this matches my hair color. So if I just want to like pin my hair back a little bit or do like an updo or something like that, I can use these pins, so that is great. Right, there's another card in here. Oh, that's funny. It says 99 bobby pins, but can't find one. Cool. And then, looks like this is the mystery item. Oh, it looks like it's a hair tie with something on it. That is what it looks like. Make sure that is focusing. This is so cute. This makes like, you can just do a ponytail and make it look a little bit fancier, like to add that little piece of flair. Like, that is super cute. So it's one of the twist ties, and it has this pretty little, like, gem, what would you call this? Yeah, it has gems all around it. Super cute. Let's see what this says. So it said ribbon and crystal. So there's crystals in this. So this is must be considered a ribbon hair tie. This is super stretchy. I'm hoping that is focusing so you guys can see how cute that is and shiny. I love like a nice high ponytail. I think this would just make it like a little nicer, you know, like add a little flair, personal touch. That's so cute. So I love this box. I think it is such a great idea. Like I like to subscribe to boxes that like fit my needs. Like I rarely go to the store besides like the grocery store, even though I've been considering subscribing to like a meal plan subscription, so I don't even have to do that. But this is super useful because I find myself like when I'm at the grocery store or drugstore or something like that, just grabbing hair ties all the time. So with this subscription, I don't have to do that. And it's really affordable too. So I'm just gonna look and see what other plans they have. So this one is like $10 per month with free shipping in the United States. So let's see what the other ones are. Okay, so if you get just bobby pins, it looks like plans start at $1.50 a month. If you want only hair ties, I think that also, so 10 hair ties a month is also like $1.50 a month starting at that. And if you want the ribbon style, so not this, but this kind, you can get it for $7.25 a month. So there's a bunch of different options. So yeah, I got the medium box. in blonde, and that's $10 a month. The small box is $9.25, and you just get a few less of each. So you, instead of getting 15 hair ties, you'll get 10. Instead of 20 bobby pins, you'll get 15, and it's only 75 cents less. So I feel like it'd probably be worth it just to get the medium, but that's just my preference. If you don't need that much, that's fine. And you also still get the surprise item in the small box. And then they have monthly wire ties. So I think those are those, like, they look like phone cord wires or something like that. I think that's the hair tie they're talking about, and that's $11 a month. And then they have a mix of kids items. So it's a monthly kids surprise box, and that is $12.91 a month, and you get 5 to 6 items with a retail value of around $40. So if you have a young child, that could be a fun option. And then they also have a monthly surprise box for adults as well. So you just get an assortment of hair accessories. It says you can get a mix of bobby pins, hair ties, in various colors or patterns with crystals or other decorative elements. So awesome. I'm super excited about this because it's like something I actually need. So yeah, so if you're like me, if you have longer hair, you pull it back a lot and you're in need of hair ties, always losing them, maybe you got some pets that make them toys, and who knows, there's probably like a million under my couch covering hair that I would not want to use again. But yeah, you should definitely check this out, and if you do like it, definitely use that coupon code to save yourself some money. I am so grateful I got this sent to me. Thank you so much, Christina. I love it. I hope you guys all love it as well. Definitely leave comments down below. Again, the link and the code are in the description box, along with my giveaway link. Hopefully the 4,000 subscriber giveaway will be super soon. Starting to shop for that, so look out. I love giveaways so much, you guys know it, but I hope you are having a fabulous Friday. Definitely let me know your weekend plans. I love chatting with you guys, but I'll stop blabbering. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Good night.